Immense backlogs are grinding U.S. immigration processes to a crawl. Unprecedented delays processing millions of visas, work permits, green cards and naturalization petitions, as well as cases languishing in immigration courts. Although recently, USCIS came up with 540 days rule to provide some relief to the millions of pending applications.
Visit us at Swat&Vee channel with your questions to see how best we can help you out with your process. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel.
Now let's get into the video and find out what's new in U.S. immigration. As part of 540 days rule, certain renewal applicants who have filed Form I-765, application for employment authorization, qualify for an automatic extension of their expiring employment authorization and/or EADS while their application is pending. Number 1. Properly filed Form I-765 for a renewal of your employment authorization and/or EAD before your current EAD expired, and Number 2. Are otherwise eligible for a renewal, which means that Point A, your renewal application is under a category that is eligible for an automatic extension. See the list of categories below, and in addition, for H4, E, and L2 dependent spouses, an unexpired Form I-94 indicating H4, E, or L2 non-immigrant status, including E1S, E2S, E3S, and L2S class of admission codes, must accompany Form I-797C when presenting proof of employment authorization to an employer for Form I-9, employment eligibility verification, purposes. In addition, for H4, E, and L2 dependent spouses, an unexpired Form I-94 indicating H4, E, or L2 non-immigrant status, including E1S, E2S, E3S, and L2S class of admission codes, must accompany Form I-797C when presenting proof of employment authorization to an employer for Form I-9, employment eligibility verification, purposes. Normally, DHS regulations provide for an automatic extension period of up to 180 days from the expiration date stated on the EAD. However, DHS has published a temporary final rule increasing the extension period. Effective May 4, 2022, DHS is temporarily increasing the extension period and providing up to 360 days of additional automatic extension time, for a total of up to 540 days, to eligible renewal applicants. The automatic extension time is counted from the expiration date of the employment authorization and/or EAD. This temporary increase is available to eligible renewal applicants with pending applications if you filed your Form I-765 renewal application either before May 4, 2022, and your 180-day automatic extension has since expired. Before May 4, 2022, and your 180-day automatic extension has not yet expired, or between May 4, 2022 and October 26, 2023, inclusive of these dates. If you file your Form I-765 renewal application after October 26, 2023, the normal 180-day automatic extension period will apply. Proof of an automatic extension. The automatic extension period, including the temporary increase to the extension period, is provided to certain renewal applicants to help prevent gaps in employment authorization and documentation. If you file a Form I-765 renewal application on or after May 4, 2022, USCIS will send you a Form I-797C Notice of Action Receipt Notice that is information regarding the up to 540-day automatic extension. If you are eligible for the automatic extension, this receipt notice, together with your expired EAD, and your unexpired Form I-94, if you are an H4, E, or L2 dependent spouse, including E1S, E2S, E3S and L2S class of admission codes will serve as acceptable proof of employment authorization and/or EAD validity during the up to 540-day automatic extension period. If you filed a Form I-765 renewal application before May 4, 2022, you should have received a Form I-797C Notice of Action Receipt Notice that describes the automatic extension period of up to 180 days. You will not receive a new I-797C receipt notice reflecting the increased employment authorization and/or EAD automatic extension period. However, Form I-797C receipt notices that refer to an up to 180-day automatic extension will still meet the regulatory requirements for completing Form I-9, including if your 180-day automatic extension expired prior to May 4, 2022. To present acceptable proof of the automatic extension of employment authorization and/or EAD validity, you can show your Form I-797C receipt notice that refers to the 180-day extension, along with your qualifying EAD, and also your unexpired Form I-94, if you are an H-4, E, or L-2 dependent spouse, including E-1S, E-2S, E-3S and L-2S class of admission codes. This document combination is sufficient proof of an up to 540-day automatic extension, counting from the expiration date on your current EAD. If you are a renewal applicant and your 180-day automatic extension expired before May 4, 2022, you can still receive the benefit of the temporary increase of the automatic extension period. Your employment authorization and/or EAD validity will automatically resume beginning on May 4, 2022. For any time remaining within the up to 540-day automatic extension period. To calculate whether there is any automatic extension time remaining, count 540 days from the expiration date stated on the front of the EAD. If you are an H-4, E, or L-2 dependent spouse, including E-1S, E-2S, E-3S and L-2S class of admission codes, count up to either 540 days or the expiration date on Form I-94. Whichever is earlier, employers should complete Form I-9 using the same guidance applicable to those who present a Form I-797C Notice of Action receipt notice indicating that the Form I-765 renewal application was filed before May 4, 2022, and that states the normal 180-day automatic extension period. An individual's automatic extension period may terminate prior to the maximum period, either 540 or 180 days, either automatically when USCIS issues a denial of the applicant's Form I-765 renewal application or upon notice. So what is the categories eligible for automatic extensions? If the category listed on your application is from Series A3, 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, 17 and 18. Series C8, 9, 10, 16, 19, 20, 22, 24, 26 and 31. That's all we have for you in this bulletin.
I hope you guys found this video extremely helpful. If you know anybody that could benefit from this information, definitely make sure to share this video with them. We are all about empowering you with knowledge. So the more people that can benefit from this video, the more people we want watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs icon. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell for more immigration updates. Bye!